My name is Mata Atonio. I am 65 years old. I come from the back village of Iwa, Savai, Fasaleleanga, Western Sāmoa. I work Countdown Kibini. I have been there for 33 years, and I am the union delegate of the store as well. My job at Countdown Kibini is a checkout supervisor. Countdown Kibini is like a culture place for us. We celebrate a lot of things about the Samoan independence as well. So, and it's always, everyone has to wear flowers. Even customers, they'll love to see us wearing flowers to say, and this is the reason why. I know I spend a lot of money to buy. I go to the 123 shop right next door to us and buy all the flowers so I can share it out with the team as well as customers. I am one of the chiefs in our family as well, yeah. Tofilau Mata Atonio, that is my chief name. Everyone knows that I am the chief. Tofilau, a lot of people, especially customers as well, that knows me, that I am the chief, they always like comes in and rather saying my name Mata, they always like call me on my name. Laua fionga le to'oto'a li'i Tofilau Mata ma lo le soifua. But to me, I rather call myself Mata. That's why I have never mentioned to anyone at work that my chief name, but yeah, it seems like all my families and people from our village that comes to work, and that's how they know the chief name. So, but I prefer my name, Mata, that I was born with. On my birthday when I was 5 years old, that's when I had my say and my ula. Yeah, that is the first time. And Mum said, you're always making sure you wear the red flowers, and it has to be a fresh flowers, not a plastic flowers. And your ula fala is always making sure that you wear the ula fala as well. Yeah, when I was giving my chief name, I was giving the ula fala. I can never ever forget, since wherever I go, I'm always making sure that I wear the say. She didn't say to put flowers or say on my hair, but yeah, just set one on your ears. But to me, when I look at the mirror, I said, no, it looks like I need to add more say or more flowers on it. You know, I've been wearing say for a long, long time. Even I started at Woolworths, I'm still wearing the say. So everyone else at work, they always wanted to wear say as well. So even the boys, when it comes to a celebration, like when we celebrate the Toa Sāmoa, when they play, we all wear the say, and we have the Samoan flag as well. My favourite say is the Samoan flag. This was specially made from someone that brought it in for me when we celebrate the Samoan independence. I used to do my hair like this at work as well, on a celebration. There's a lot of celebrations that's going at the supermarkets. When they come to the checkout, they always come, oh, Mata, we just love your flowers. You always wear different flowers. I said, I'll ask them, would you like the flowers? I said, oh yes, do you mind? I just give it to them, the flowers. And then, like I said, next door is 123 shop. I just go and buy some more flowers there. I'm always making sure I have something there to give it to the kids, especially the flowers, the say. One thing that I have seen around in our tour, around Te Papa, that was good to see all those photos from back in the days. That I actually took some of the photos and I sent it to my friends in Samoa, and they said, oh, we know who that is. And I said, okay, we can talk later about who's this and what's their name now. wearing your say, you know, you are tēne Sāmoa, aulele, and also like you're presenting the say for your culture as well. And then you can't just take our culture away. You know, when we work, doesn't matter where you work, you can take your culture with you. E whaatau ai le tau nuu o le tala le lei Sāmoa. O le mea tau ale nā pei o le mafuanga le nā. I le tēne Sāmoa, e whai lava lona sei. Tatou manatua whanawhi o whanawhi e whai lava lona sei. So as for me, our Prime Minister nowadays. Sāmoa e lo usei, tau nu le tala lelei, o lo whaapau pau, lo wifo i tupua, wa sulungia matani, te ai maleata. Whawhitai lava.